Minutes after launching its uncrewed, super heavy Starship rocket, SpaceX returned its booster stage back to the launch pad in Boca Chica, Texas.
Today's launch followed a spectacular SpaceX test flight Sunday, where the landing was more impressive than the blastoff.
Could a single unexpected find rewrite the entire roadmap to Mars? That's the question buzzing through the space community after SpaceX's surprising discovery during the Starship 31 recovery. Engineers found something so unexpected, it's forcing them to reconsider fundamental aspects of spacecraft design. In today's video, we're unraveling this cosmic mystery. What was this unprecedented find? How did it withstand the intense forces of re-entry? And most importantly, what does it mean for the future of space exploration? Prepare to be amazed as we explore the details that have left even seasoned space engineers stunned. The recovery mission begins. As the recovery ship set sail, a cosmic puzzle awaited them, far beyond routine spacecraft retrieval. SpaceX's mission to recover Starship 31 from the Indian Ocean was about to challenge everything they thought they knew about space operations. Retrieving a spacecraft usually follows a well-rehearsed procedure, but this time, the Indian Ocean had other plans. Unpredictable weather and logistical hurdles turned the operation into a high-stakes game of nautical chess. The recovery team, aboard the Australian vessels Limitless and Ban Renegade, faced a daunting 27-hour observation period before they could approach Starship 31's splashdown site. SpaceX's team had to contend with wind shear, atmospheric drag, and the ocean's ever-changing moods. Their advanced guidance systems and sophisticated software were put to the ultimate test as they navigated the challenging conditions. As the recovery ships neared the estimated splashdown coordinates, something felt off. The team's communication chatter took on a different tone. Could Starship 31 have suffered more damage during re-entry than anticipated? The specialized equipment aboard Ban Renegade, including its heavy-duty towing gear, suddenly seemed like it might not be enough. The recovery team exchanged worried glances as they prepared for the unknown. Hours ticked by as they scanned the horizon, their sophisticated instruments probing the depths below. And then, a ping, a faint signal, growing stronger. They'd found it, Starship 31's final resting place in the vast Indian Ocean. But as they began the delicate process of retrieving the spacecraft, something caught their eye. Among the expected debris field, an unexpected shape bobbed in the waves. The recovery team leaned in, squinting at their monitors. Little did they know, they were about to uncover a secret that would send shockwaves through the entire space industry. Unexpected survivors, the resilient components. When it comes to spacecraft re-entry, conventional wisdom says nothing survives unscathed, but Starship 31 just challenged that assumption. As we explore the puzzling findings from the recovery operation, you'll see why SpaceX engineers are both baffled and excited by what they found intact amidst the debris. Re-entry subjects spacecraft to extreme conditions, as we discussed in Section 2. Most components are designed to withstand these forces, but they usually show significant wear and tear after the journey. So imagine the shock when SpaceX's recovery team pulled composite overwrapped pressure vessels, COPVs, from the ocean, and they were completely intact. These high-pressure tanks, crucial for storing gases on spacecraft, typically show signs of stress after re-entry. But here they were, looking pristine. This discovery has huge implications. COPVs are critical components in spacecraft design, and their ability to withstand re-entry forces could lead to lighter, more efficient spacecraft designs in the future. But the surprises didn't stop there. As the team continued their examination, they stumbled upon another shocker, heat shield tiles in remarkably good condition. These tiles are the spacecraft's first line of defense against the intense heat of re-entry. Typically, they're charred and damaged after a flight, but many of Starship 31's tiles look like they could be used again. This unexpected durability raises exciting possibilities for future Starship operations. It could mean less extensive refurbishment between flights, faster turnaround times for missions, and potential cost savings. These resilient components are already reshaping engineers' approach to Starship design and could have far-reaching impacts on space exploration. But hold on to your spacesuits, folks, because the biggest revelation was yet to come. As the recovery team dug deeper into Starship 31's remains, they uncovered something that would leave even the most seasoned space experts scratching their heads. The enigma of the unidentified parts. Puzzle pieces that don't fit any known puzzle. That's what SpaceX's recovery team found among Starship 31's remains. These unidentified parts have sparked intense interest and speculation. What could they reveal about spacecraft design? The team carefully extracted the unknown parts, treating them like precious artifacts. Initial examinations only deepened the intrigue. The extreme conditions of re-entry had transformed these components. While it's common for fierce heat and pressure to warp materials, these parts exhibited properties that defied explanation. As word spread, theories began to circulate. Some engineers proposed they might be experimental components added to test new technologies. The possibilities seemed endless, with each idea more fascinating than the last. The recovery team worked tirelessly, documenting every detail of these puzzling pieces. They knew that each fragment could hold vital clues about Starship's performance and potential. The parts were carefully packed and sent to research facilities in Australia for further analysis, with plans to transport them to SpaceX's Starbase in Texas for in-depth study. What insights do these parts hold? Could they reshape our understanding of spacecraft design? As the investigation continues, SpaceX engineers are on the verge of a breakthrough that could change our perspective on space travel. The next chapter in this cosmic mystery promises to be even more astounding. Decoding the cosmic clues. The recovery of Starship 31 revealed surprising insights that challenged our understanding of spacecraft design. As researchers examined each fragment, they uncovered patterns that hinted at unexpected capabilities. The analysis process involved teams of experts using advanced technologies to scrutinize every component. While many parts yielded valuable data, it was the surprisingly intact composite overwrapped pressure vessels, COPVs, that truly captivated the engineers. These COPVs had endured conditions far beyond their expected limits, withstanding extreme pressures and temperatures. This discovery opened up new possibilities for Starship's potential, suggesting it might be capable of longer missions or more efficient fuel storage. The heat shield tiles also revealed intriguing changes. Thermal imaging and microscopic analysis showed that the tiles had undergone a molecular transformation during re-entry, enhancing their heat resistance. This finding could lead to more ambitious re-entry profiles in future missions. As engineers pieced together data from various components, including some mysterious unidentified parts, a groundbreaking theory began to emerge. It appeared that Starship 31 had experienced an unexpected transformation during its journey, altering its performance in ways no one had predicted. The evidence suggested that Starship might be able to withstand far more extreme conditions than originally thought. This could potentially extend its range, increase payload capacity, and even open up new possibilities for interplanetary travel. The implications were staggering, potentially rewriting SpaceX's entire roadmap to Mars. But even as excitement built among the research team, they knew they were only scratching the surface. The biggest revelation was still to come, hidden within the data they were still decoding. As they dug deeper into the analysis, a discovery emerged that would shake the very foundations of spacecraft engineering. What could this game-changing finding be, and how will it reshape our journey to the stars? The shocking discovery unveiled. Picture this: a spacecraft that adapts to the harsh conditions of space in ways we never thought possible. It sounds like science fiction, but Starship 31's recovery might have revealed exactly that. As SpaceX engineers analyzed the data from various components, a startling pattern emerged. The evidence pointed to an incredible conclusion. Starship 31 had seemingly undergone a transformation during its journey, adapting to extreme conditions in ways that challenge our current understanding of material science. The realization was astonishing. Could Starship's materials actually be learning and evolving during flight? The implications are mind-boggling. If confirmed, future Starships might become more resilient with each mission, adapting to the unique challenges of space travel in real time. This discovery challenges everything we thought we knew about spacecraft engineering. Traditional designs rely on materials that degrade over time, but Starship 31 hints at a future where spacecraft become more capable with each flight. It's as if we've uncovered a way to make ships that improve the more they're used. The potential impact on SpaceX's Mars mission plans is enormous. If starships can truly adapt during flight, it could dramatically extend their operational lifespan. This might allow for longer missions, reduced need for repairs, and potentially even the ability to withstand the harsh Martian environment for extended periods. While the full details are still being analyzed, it appears that Starship 31's materials exhibited unexpected molecular changes in response to the stresses of spaceflight. These changes resulted in enhanced performance across multiple systems, from propulsion to life support. This discovery marks a significant leap forward in SpaceX's iterative development process. Each flight not only provides valuable data, but may actually be improving the spacecraft itself. It's a breakthrough that could accelerate humanity's journey to Mars and beyond. With this revelation, the future of space exploration suddenly looks very different. We're creating vessels that evolve alongside us as we push deeper into the cosmos. What other secrets might the stars hold? And how will this discovery shape our next steps towards becoming a multiplanetary species? The recovery mission for Starship 31 uncovered some surprising findings that could change how we approach space exploration. The most significant discovery was the hint that Starship's materials might adapt and evolve during flight. This revelation opens up exciting possibilities for spacecraft design. Imagine ships that improve with each journey, learning from the challenges of space travel. This could accelerate our path to Mars and beyond, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. As we process these findings, we're left wondering what other secrets the universe holds. The stars seem closer than ever, and the potential for new discoveries is thrilling. How will this shape our future in space? What incredible advancements might we see in the coming years?